Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating variables. Disconnect USB drives and external disks so they don't interfere. Once done, boot into Advanced Startup. Hold Shift while clicking Restart or use Recovery Media so you can access repair tools. Make sure you have your Microsoft account email, the local admin password if available, and a second PC for downloads. This lets you run targeted repairs without guessing. You're preparing the environment, so the next actions fix the login path rather than masking symptoms. Next, you attack the account and startup layer. Start with Startup Repair from Advanced Startup. This repairs corrupt boot files and system components. If that doesn't restore login, boot to safe mode. Once inside, enable the built-in administrator or run system restore to revert to a known good point. If login still fails, use the second PC to create a Windows password, reset USB, or drop to command prompt to enable NetUser commands. These steps let you recover access without reinstalling the OS. Finally, secure the fix and close gaps. Once you regain access, create a recovery drive, add a secondary admin account, and set a PIN plus backup sign-in options so you won't be stuck again. Then run SFC and DISM to repair system files and install pending updates and driver fixes. If issues persist, boot safe mode with networking, jot down specific error codes, and as a last resort, perform an in-place upgrade. This preserves files while reinstalling Windows to resolve deep corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.